Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a cook with me. Now, I'm all about fast, easy, yet delicious meals for dinner, and this is exactly what that is. So if you'd like to know how I made this dish, then please keep on watching. So what you're gonna need is some shrimp, some cherry tomatoes, an onion, some olive oil, vinegar, a couscous box ready to make, and some girl-made seasoning. So the first thing you're going to do is make your seasoning, and you're going to need some water, some olive oil, and a splash of vinegar, and then you're going to go ahead and add your seasoning to the mix. And then I went ahead and grabbed my cherry tomatoes, and then I started to rinse those. Whenever I rinse either vegetables or fruits, I always like to add some vinegar in there. I just feel like it cleans it a little bit better. And then I went ahead and I cut those up and then added them to the seasoning. The next thing I did was cut up an onion, and I typically use about half an onion for this. And then I went ahead and just mixed everything together. The next thing I did was add my shrimp to a bowl and then rinse the shrimp before I added it to the seasoning. And then I went ahead and put my pan on the oven, added some olive oil, and started to cook the mixture on medium-high. I like to go and mix everything together every few minutes just to make sure that everything is heating all around. So for the couscous, you want to go ahead and add about 1.5 cups of water, and then you want to also add a little bit of olive oil, and then you're going to go ahead and add the seasoning mix to the water, and you're going to let this sit until it boils. And while I was waiting for my couscous to boil, I went back to the shrimp and just gave it another little mix. And then once the water to the couscous starts boiling, you're going to add the couscous into the water, and then you're going to give it a quick mix and cover it for 5 minutes. And then I went back again to the shrimp, and by this time it was pretty much done. For the boys, I always like to add either a fruit or vegetable to their dinner plate. So this is what they had for dinner. And this is what I usually serve my husband and myself. And I'll also add a few slices of avocado on the side. And that is it, you guys. That is one of our favorite dishes, and you guys saw how fast and easy it was to cook, and even my boys love this dish. I hope you guys enjoyed this cook with me video. Please let me know down below if you would like to see more cooking videos in the future, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys on the next one.